Good morning. Today is the 5th of June. The beginning of a week. Monday, my least favourite day of the week. And this morning I had plans of waking up super motivated, having a cheeky little workout, and it is raining. It's raining, which means I woke up and I was like, oh, it's cold, I don't want to go. So I had an extra half an hour in bed and I didn't go, and I have just been editing Saturday's vlog. Yeah, I didn't vlog yesterday because I just potted around the house, tidied up, boring cleaning stuff. My battery is literally about to die now, so I'm going to go shove this on charge and finish editing this video. Taken me far too long to get ready today. It is literally, I think, 1:25. I am still in my pajamas and I've just, because my hair really needs washing, shoved my hair in 2 buns, put a bit of dry shampoo on and hope that it doesn't look too greasy, too horrid. I hate having greasy hair. Yeah, so I've used a lot of dry shampoo on my head. I will wash it tonight because it's bothering me already looking at it. And I put a bit of makeup on, and when I say a bit, I mean like a bit of this, a bit of lip balm, mascara, a bit of blush. Done! Because I don't know whether I'm going anywhere today. I mean, it's still pretty miserable and raining. I think I'm just gonna put probably a jumper on and a pair of leggings and just chill. Also, my coffee's just come and I need a coffee before I do anything else. Coffee. My love of coffee. Who's joined us? Where's the baby? Hello. It's raining and she keeps wanting to go out, but she won't go out in the rain, and she knows she won't, so she'll go to the door, bark, I'll let her out. How comfortable she actually looks. She looks so comfortable. And then I'll open the door and she'll literally look outside, then turn back around again. You're gonna have to go out at some point, Baba, aren't you? Because I don't think it's gonna stop raining. It literally hasn't stopped raining all day, has it? I mean, she's been asleep all day, but it's not stopped raining at all. It's gone quite cold. Feels more like autumn than it does spring. Hello. Doesn't it? Eh? Feels very cold. So much that I've actually put the heating on. Only for about like an hour. Just to warm the house up a little bit. Oh, look at those white eyes. Eh? You blind little bugger. Eh? Can you see yourself? Probably not. Eh? She's actually blind. I'm not like joking or anything. She's blind. She acts deaf, but she's definitely not deaf. Like, I could whisper certain words and she'd definitely hear me, but when I shout her to do something, like, come on, peepees, she pretends like she's not even hear me. Am I your bed right now? Am I your bed right now? Right. Think you need to pee. Go on. Go on. Go on. Ooh. Come on. Come on. Stop raining. I think. Go on, go for pee-pees. Good girl. Oh, did you fall then, Baba? Enjoy your pee-pee. Bath time. Just grabbing everything that I will need. You know, just getting in the bath. This is a regular getting in the bath. I'll have to come back for me coffee. Oh, double chin action. Ooh. Oh, look at that bath.